Importance of documentation in nursing. Define documentation. Documentation is anything written or electronically generated that describe the status of clients on the care or service given to the client. Introduction. Documentation within a client medical record is vital aspects of nursing care or practice. The nursing documentation must be accurate, comprehensive, and flexible. Information in the client's record provides a detailed account of the level of quality of nursing care delivered to the client. Accurate and effective documentation ensures continuity of care, saves time, and prevents duplication or error in the patient care. Purpose: to promote good nursing care. Encourages the nurses to access client progress and determine which interventions are effective, non-effective, identify and document the changes to the plan of care as needed. All of which have the potential to improve the quality of nursing practice and client care. Next is to meet professional and legal standards. The nurse documentation may be used as proof or evidence in the legal proceeding. Continuity of care promotes structured, consistent, and effective communication between caregivers, facilitate continuity of care and safety of patients. Elements of effective communication. Factual. A factual record contains descriptive, objective information about what a nurse sees, hears, and feels. An objective description is the result of direct observation and measurement. Accurate. Write or chart exactly what was observed or done, and write complete sentences. Completeness. The information within a record entry must be complete, containing appropriate and essential information. Current. Timely entries are essential in a patient's ongoing care. Delay in documentation leads to unsafe care. Follow military time to avoid misinterpretation of AM and PM. Organized. Start entry with date and time. Sign in your name after each entry. Put a line if there is any blank spaces. Abbreviations and symbols. Always use approved abbreviations by your organization. Avoid abbreviations that can be misunderstood. Legible. Writing should be legible. Print if electronically generated. Do not erase or obliterate writing. Sign with the date and time if there is any correction. Time. Following activities should be entered timely. Vital signs, pain management, medication administration, diagnostic tests, surgery, change in patient status and who notified, admission, transfer, discharge or death, patient response to treatment, and intake output chart. Why documentation is important in nursing? It is a communication tool nurses and other healthcare providers to create and access to ensure the continuity of care and deliver safe quality healthcare to each patient. It gives relevant information about the condition of the patient at any points. It measures the nurses has taken in response to the patient needs. Evidence that the nurse has understood and honored the duty of care, has taken all the responsible steps to care for the patient. That any action or omission has not compromised for patient safety. Potential legal document and could be used in the court in case of any medico-legal cases. Good documentation is important part of good patient care and nursing practice. It is nearly impossible to remember everything you did and happened on a shift. Writing tips. Do not use abbreviations unless you are sure that it is commonly used or approved. If you make any error, cross it out with one clear line through it and sign with the date and time. Do not erase, overwrite, or use whitener. Write legibly, clear and short sentences. Record all relevant observations. Reasons for documentation. Quality of the records can be good reflection on the standard of care we given to the patient. Careful, neat and accurate patient record are the hallmark of a caring and responsible nurse. Poorly written records can be leads to doubt about the quality of a nurse work. According to law, if care or treatment not recorded, it assumed that not done. Conclusion. Maintaining a good quality record has both immediate and long-term benefits for the staff. It helps in the respects of safety. A good record keeping promotes better communication as well continuity and efficiency of professionalism within nursing. Ensure there is a reasonable rationale for any decision recorded. Example, refusing medication or any treatment by patient or relatives. Ensure notes are accurately dated, timed, signed with the name and employee ID. Sign is not recommended, only write with the name and employee ID. Always remember, not documented means not done. Your timely document can change the whole treatment plan of a patient.